In an earlier video, I had shown how to fit a bulkhead to an irregular surface. And this is that bulkhead. And the bad side of the plywood was the part facing the front of the van. And so what you're looking at here is a discarded shower curtain, and it's this in keeping with the use what you have recurring theme in this build. I stapled that onto the bulkhead, and then I painted it white. So here's the finished bulkhead, how it appears. I liked it because it had a crosshatch pattern sewn into it with the shower curtain there. And then you can barely see them, but I've actually used hinges as cleats to install the bulkhead. And the reason being, if I need to take anything away from the van in order to create more space for hauling, all I have to do is pull the pins.